capturing few of my surroundings and the places I have been seeing the leaves, colors of the leaves. It's beautiful all around. Even it's 5 minutes walk from your house or wherever, just appreciate the nature, and this gives you a lot of positive vibes. That's just to me. And you can see the color of the nature and it's so bright and beautiful. It's like a fire everywhere, like the fire and fire and fire everywhere. So it's like so good. I love it, and I make my daughter and my parents and my family crazy to some extent. Like, oh, like let's go, take my photo everywhere, and I'm like really, really obsessed about this autumn and the fall color. So
Too
I
much.
hope you like that. Walk with me.
Walk with Satishy.
Friends, whatever you say, the autumn or fall, the change of leaves, the color change of the leaves is always bright and beautiful, and it's amazing. This has been my favorite time of the year, and since October or summer, from the September middle or beginning or the end, it start to, we can see the slowly the green leaves turning a little yellow, patchy yellow, and then like the bright yellow and red and orange, and then it's fall off. Okay, and the in between this 3 weeks or 4 weeks of the period when the color change and before they fall off, it's really amazing to see how it's changed and all. And this has been the amazing time. I have first noticed when I was first moved to US in the year of 2004, and believe me, this was the time I moved. It was a fall, and since then it's been a favorite time of the year to me. I love seeing the changing colors. Those days I was not doing much into videos or photography. I do have some photographs of the fall colors though, but I used to love the surroundings. Just near to your house, everywhere, it became so beautiful. It's a like different variation of the color, and we must appreciate. We should go out for a walk. We should see the nature, and we love to have a walk around.
And fall walk, the yellow leaves, it looks like a fire everywhere. Okay, and I love to see that, like the falling leaves having some like good spectacular view, and this is amazing. This is really amazing to see. And this is just near my house, and I'm loving these golden leaves. Today is a bit of cloudy day, but I'm loving it. The color, the change of the color of the leaves, it's really bring the positive vibes to me all the time, and it makes the nature look different season wise. And I like to see the red and see the yellow and some leaves fall off. I'm liking it, and I feel good to walk along with the nature like that. Even it's a everyday of the road, it still makes me feel better.
So, are you wondering why are the leaves falling on the top and on the bottom, and why do they fall off? Well, they fall off because so in winter they need lots of water to store. So it goes up and up and up. It's too high to reach the top, so that's why it starts falling in the top, and it goes in the bottom soon. So that's how leaves fall off and why they fall off. And in the top they fall off because the water can't reach all the way to the top first, and so that's why they fall off. And it changes colors because of the water. If it has lots of water, it turns green. If it doesn't have much water, it just takes all the color away, and you thought it would be clear, but it isn't, because this is its natural color.
Thanks, Mahi. That was really informative information, and very scientifically you explain it. And friends, I hope I didn't know about it much, so that explained me a lot, and I really appreciating that. Autumn officially actually arrives when the trees and the plants start to shed their leaves in preparation for the colder month, the grey months, okay? And it is a plant world's way of the hibernating mode. So before getting into the hibernating mode and all of us see the grey and grey days again, why not enjoy the colors before it? This is a season that make me realize that for being happy we don't need a big thing to happen. It's just a surrounding, just a little change of colors, and appreciate the nature and you feel good about it. So friends, I hope this autumn walks makes you feel really energetic and makes you feel as brighter as the colors are. So let's walk together and subscribe more to walk with me more.